Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, USB audio interface, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, backup camera, stability control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, compass, clock, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.